or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and in this video I am installing a wig from ISEE Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. I love, this is like my second wig from ISEE Hair, and let me tell you, every time with the packaging is top tier, because honey, when you spend your money, make me feel like I did something with my coin. Because this shopping bag and this little handle right here, and not even just the handle in the bag, but the box makes me feel like I did something. Like, make me feel like my hard-earned coins went somewhere. Like, they really want to take care of you, like ISEE Hair. And then not only on top of that, this is giving luxury goods. You have the hair wrapped inside of this paper with the sticker, child, that folds like this. It made me feel like I just bought like a designer bag or something, but no. It's a wig, and wigs can be designer as well. So this is the hair that I have here from ISEE Hair. This is the kinky curly in 18 inches, and it is their glueless wig, pretty much, you know, glueless wig series. I think I might as well become a glueless wig channel, because honestly, who likes glue? You know, who has time for all that? But this is their wear and go type wig. So let me just show you the construction of this wig. So this is the texture of the curls out the box. Like, didn't even do nothing to it. It's very pretty, like very pretty. So this is kinky curly. It's in 18 inches. As far as the density, I'm gonna have that floating across the screen. I think it's 180%, but don't have me lying. It'll be floating up here. So this is their 9x6 pre-cut lace. So this is as wide as the lace comes. So as you can see, it's already cut for you. It's already bleached for you. And they have the adjustable strap here that is removable, as well as removable combs on the sides. So that means if you don't want to wear combs, like combs isn't for everybody. So if you want to remove these, you certainly can. So that's what these are. It has a little tag here that says removable combs, if you can see that. They have a lot of little features in this wig to really make it as secure and as convenient and easy to install as possible. The inside of the wig right here has a cutout so that your ear can fit into it, because that's really important. So that's what it's gonna look like on the sides. So this is just a close-up of the wig from the back. Get into that curl pattern. That is so pretty. I cannot wait to see what this looks like on, and I'm glad I got 18 inches because it's going to be like a short, cute little like bob type of vibe. We love those. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. So you have a dome cap on the inside, and again, the combs are removable. The elastic band here is removable. This is a tag that I'm just going to cut off, and it is constructed really, really well. But yeah, so let's see what this wig is talking about. Let's see if the wig itself matches everything else, that it matches the appearance that I got so far. So first things first, sliding off my bonnet. And then the first thing I'm gonna do is take the tags off of this. Like, this is the only wig that I've had that came with tags on it, as if I've, like, you know, when you like go to the store and buy a product, they come with tags. I don't know why, but like wigs that you get, that you buy, don't have tags on it like this. And even though it's like something that you have to take off, I feel like having like a tag on it just makes it feel more official. I don't know, maybe I'm just being weird, whatever. And now I'm just gonna adjust the band. All right. Ooh. Now this stays on good. This wig, this, I can tell already, this wig ain't going nowhere. It's like, it's staying on my head. Now I'm just trying to get it to fit in the like ear holes. Ooh, got that comb in the back. I like the back combs. Oh, and you see how perfectly that fits around my ear? Like, that fits really, really, ooh, is that bending? There we go. Yeah, that fits really nice. So first impressions, this wig slides on really easily. It feels very tight, but it's not like too tight. It was also because of how I've tightened the wig band. But I also like as soon as I slide it on, it's almost blending like perfectly. Like, I would just probably put some makeup right here so it can match my natural complexion. But It's very, very secure. And I wound up not using the combs on the sides, but I did use the comb on the back. I always like using the back comb because I feel like it makes it more secure. So this is the hair and what it looks like just in its natural texture. Y'all, I'm gonna have to take this shirt off. You can't see nothing with this loud ass shirt on. Okay, so this is the hair in his natural texture. And it looks really, really pretty. Really, it's nothing more that I have to do to it but just touch it up and define the curls. Now, only thing I will say is, like, usually wigs like this, I have a weird hairline here, you know, my things on the sides. So I will have to, like, pull down some baby hairs from the sides of the wigs just to cover this. But besides that, everything is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig. Now I'm just doing my baby hairs. Also, I took off my wig cap off camera. So now you can't see like a line of demarcation or anything. So I'm just gonna make my part go back a little bit further, and I'm probably gonna pluck it later. But for right now, let's work on this part right here. I mean, this baby hair right here. Gel, my Eco Gel. So while my edges sit, I'm just going to define these curls and kind of like, you know, make it look like something. So to do that, I'm just using my water and I'm using my curling mousse here that I'm running out of, that I need more of. Yeah, I'm just gonna split my hair in half. That makes it easier. And then I'm gonna drench the curls and then I'm going to define them with my brush here. So cute. So then you can just see the side-by-side difference. This is what it looks like before you define it and then like after you define it. And I think I am going to use my diffuser just so I can see what the curl's gonna look like, because that is really cute. These curls are so cute. I don't even want to like mess them up. Like, they're so cute. Like, I love these. Let the curls air dry for a little moment, and right now I'm just gonna define my part. They already bleached the knots for you and the part is already defined, but what I did is I like lengthened the part a little bit, like made it go back a little bit further, because I like long parts. So I'm just gonna go and like pluck where needed. I'm using my wax stick to define my part some. So I'm just going along like my parting space and using my wax stick. And then I'm gonna go behind it with my hot comb. So now that that's done, I'm just gonna take this off. Woo! And this looks gorgeous. When I tell you gorgeous, this, I mean the lace, the baby hair from the curls, and it looks like my real freaking hair. The last thing that I'm just gonna do, which I really don't even need, but I'm gonna do it anyway, is I'm gonna take some cream makeup and just put it along my hairline just in case anything is like a little light, like so, like over here and here, and that's really gonna make it like blend. But Look at that. I'm gonna diffuse it just because, like, so if you like the wet look, this is what it'll look like with the wet look. I'll go ahead and just do this for all the wet look lovers out there. But me, I'm more of a poofy girl, so I'm gonna diffuse these curls. Okay. And one last thing I want to do is I just want to put some, like, I'm just gonna cut 2 pieces like in front of my face just to make it like a little shorter to like shape my face pretty much. Not too short, but well, I think I cut that one too short, dang it. But oh well, just, you know, to define my face. Okay, so one more thing. I know I keep saying one more thing, but this is for real the last thing. I'm just gonna take my gloss therapy polisher spray from Fuji and spray the curls just so they can be shiny, because shiny curls are pretty curls. And normally I would go easy with that, especially if I was using straight hair, but since this is curly hair, I do like use it a little more generously, not too heavy, because again, a little bit of this goes a long way, but just enough. And that was so fast. It literally took like 10 minutes. That was nothing at all. And this wig is so cute. And I love the length. Maybe I have like a couple of curls that are kind of long. I think I'm going to chop them. Now I'm just doing extra stuff, y'all. But yeah, that's cute. But anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.